Meet Larson G4, the software that simplifies every step of your workflow. Configure and manage your instruments with ease and flexibility, ensuring reliable measurements every time. G4 automatically downloads measurement data wirelessly when instruments are nearby or networked, even if G4 is not running in the foreground. G4 makes it easy to analyze your data, visualize spectral trends, time history, and noise curves. Use a what-if analysis to determine the potential impact of noise reduction measures on your existing data. Spend less time installing software. G4 is the management software for all Larson meters. Craft professional reports tailored to your needs. Add or remove metrics, refine key details, and share your results instantly with G4's built-in email functionality. G4 automatically exports your data to Excel, including the formatting. So what you see is what you get. Streamline your workflow and become a sound expert with Larson G4.